Good morning. Good morning. It's Friday. Hi, Melly. The wheat they haven't harvest. This is our area, guys. Summer's coming. Snake everywhere. This is our area, guys. Look. I'm checking if any snake. Melly, check if there's a snake, okay? My mandarin and my pomelo right there. My lemon and this kind of fruits. Hope there's no snake coming in our yard. Okay. Melly, no, come. That's it, guys. This is our area. Living in this area is a lot of mysteries. Snake, snail, birds, goat. But the goat still not come yet because still not harvest this wheat or for the hay for the horse or whatever. Our summer flower, and we have gardenia right there, and my Melly is Melly. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.